Hi everyone and welcome to the Mathsman YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to be expanding brackets in algebra. In this video we are going to be working through 5 different examples in total, starting easy and then getting increasingly more difficult. We are going to be specifically looking at examples that have 2 sets of brackets. Now, it is maybe a good idea before watching this video, watching the first part of this video, which was just expanding just one set of brackets. Okay, I will leave a link to that video in the description with the playlist that I have created as well. So in our first example, we have 2 sets of brackets. We have b plus 2 in one of them, and we have b plus 1 in the other. Now, in all of the examples that I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be using the FOIL technique. So FOIL is a technique that we can use to work out the answer and to make sure that we don't leave any number not multiplied. So F stands for first, so this is the first number here, so the B. So b is going to be multiplied by b. I'm just going to rub that out and start again just to make it a little more clear. So I'm going to multiply b by b first, and that's going to give me b squared. So that's the F. Then the O stands for outside, so it's going to be b multiplied by the outside number, which is 1. So b times 1 is going to give me b, or 1b. Then the I stands for inside, so I'm going to multiply the inside 2 numbers, so 2 times b, that's going to give me 2b. And then the last numbers, so the inside number here, which is 2, multiplied by the last number, so it's going to be 2 times by 1, is going to give me 2. So now all I need to do is to simplify this. So the b and the 2b can join together to make 3b. And then if I put all this together, I'm left with b squared add 3b add 2. And there I've just expanded the first question. So again, I'm going to use FOIL to solve this. So I'm going to start with the first number, which is a times a, which is going to give me a squared. Then I'm going to go a times 6, which is going to give me 6a. Then the 2 inside numbers, so 5 times a is going to give me 5a. Well, actually, it's negative 5 multiplied by a, so it's going to give me negative 5a. And then I'm going to do negative 5 multiplied by 6, and that's going to give me negative 30. And if I put all that together, so 6a take away 5a, that's only just going to give me a. So then I'm going to be left with a squared plus a take away 30. And I've just simplified that one. So moving on, we have z take away 6, and then we have z plus 2. Sorry about the z there, it looks like a 2 as well. So again, using FOIL, every single time using FOIL. So z multiplied by z gives me z squared. Then I'm going to have z multiplied by 2. That's going to give me 2z. Then the 2 inside numbers, so negative 6 multiplied by 2 is going to give me negative 12. Oh, sorry, that's not a 2, that's a z, isn't it? So negative 6 multiplied by z, so it's going to give me negative 6z. Then I'm going to do negative 6 multiplied by 2. That's going to give me negative 12. Then I'm going to put it all together. So 2z take away 6z would give us negative 4z. So z squared take away 4z take away 12. Fourth example. So now we're getting a little bit more difficult because we have a number which is outside of the two brackets. Now, do not do anything with this number that is outside until right at the end. So I'm just going to pretend as if it's not there for now, and I'm going to expand these two brackets here. So I'm going to again use FOIL, just like I have been in the other example. So I'm going to do h multiplied by a. That's going to give me AH. Okay, that's not going to give me HA, it's going to give me AH. You always write down the first number alphabetically. So A times H, it would be AH. Then we've got H multiplied by 4. That's going to give us 4H. Then 2 times by A. It's going to give us 2A. And then 2 multiplied by 4. That's going to give us 8. So it's now at this point where this number on the outside of the brackets comes into play. So when it's outside the brackets, it means I need to multiply all of these terms here by 2. So I'm going to do 2 times AH, so that's going to give me 2AH. Then I'm going to do 2 times 4H, so that's going to give me 8H. 2 times 2A, that's going to give me 4A. Then I'm going to do 2 times 8, which is 16. And all of those are positive, so I'm going to add them all together. So in my final example, I have just one bracket, but I have it squared. So if you have a bracket which is squared, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do x plus 2 in brackets and x plus 2 in brackets, because that's what squared means. And then I'm just going to work it out as normal. So x times x equals x squared. X times 2 makes 2x. And then 2 times x makes 2x. And 2 times 2 makes 4. And then all I need to do is just simplify it. So 2x and 2x go together to make 4x. And x squared goes first. X squared plus 4x plus 4. So that's the last example in this video. I hope that you have learnt something. If you have and you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to smash that like button down below. And why don't you consider sending it to a friend who is also looking to learn how to expand brackets. Thanks again for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.